Hello students, welcome to our online session. These classes we are discussing about the concept of linked list. If you could remember, the first topic we started was what is linked list and the notations used in the linked list, what is called link, what is called next, what is called linked list. And then we discussed about features of linked list, advantages of linked list, disadvantages of linked list. Then we moved on to operations of linked list. Then types of linked list. Under types of linked links, we started with single linked list. In single linked list, last session we saw how we are going to create our single linked list. Okay, this much we have done so far. So this was the concept which we are discussing in our last class. In case if you are going to create a single linked list, then we need to make the head node initially. We need to assign head to null because first time create ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ linked list structure ಅನ್ನು ಅವಾಗ first ಅಲ್ಲಿ head node. Head ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ you need to give this as null. That's all. This much only we saw. Then what we are doing, create a new node and store it in a pointer. Then idu joteyalle we need to create in the second step we have read create a new node. Okay, new node. And that what we have to do, new node equal to address of the new node. So this would have been stored in some address, correct? Usually computer would have been stored in some address. E address annu you need to store in a variable called new node. So artha madkoli first to e head node, this is called head node. This head node should be set to null. That is first step. Second step bandu enu, we need to address of the new node equal to address of the new node. So what is the address? 167 will be stored to new node. Next, whatever data we want to store, that you have to store. This is called info part and this is called link part as per this algorithm. So what is that? See, info part means information, data part, and this is called link part. So info part of new node equal to element means whatever data you want to store, that has to be stored. I want to store a value 1, so I have stored. So 1 I want to store, that will go and store it info of new node. Third step mugittu. Then fourth step when it comes, what we are doing, address of the link part of new node. Usually they address part alva. So we are taking make it to null, make it to null. Then till here done. And first nalak step head equals to null, but you need to write these explanation also when you write this algorithm, not only the thing. First initialize the header, that is head is equal to next. Next create a new node and address store it in a variable called new node. The new node address has to be make a note. Illi store agiruva address you need to store it in a place called new node. Next we are telling info part of new node should be stored with the element. Address part of new node should be declared to null. Then you check, is the node the first node? This first node, correct? See, this header position, ashte, this very one day location, it's not a node. This is our first node. In case if it is a first node, connect the new node to the header node. In case this is going to be first node, connect means what you have to do, 1617 is stored in a variable called new node. This should be stored in this place. So what we can do, we will remove this null. Initially we only set null. Now we will remove this null and store the value 1617. That is the step given in the fifth step. Head equals to new node. Okay, so what they are telling, what new node value is 1617. That should be stored to head. So in head we have given. So what would have happened? This would have created the link. This is if answer is yes. In case answer is not true, if it's not a first node, so it would have gone to else part. Idu first node, so we have linked it. In case if it is not there, then they are telling take the current pointer of the last node of the linked list. So in case you want, anyway algorithm is to create first node alli illa check aaytu, avaga en madbekandre you need to keep on checking where it is having null. So in this example only, if I want to insert what they are telling, check the node for which address is null. So this node idre idike address null. Then this wherever address is null, that you need to make it as a current pointer. Then ಹೊಸ node create ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ link ಅನ್ನು ಈ null position ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. But ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ if it's not a first node. But what example we have taken this as a first node. So here only algorithm finishes, it won't come for the else part and complete the program. This is for your understanding because we are not meeting manually. So I just want to explain it once again. Got an idea? This the thing concept we have done in our last session also. Now we will move on to our today's part of it. Traversing a linked list. In a computer term, traversing means visiting the entire place. In case if different nodes are there, visiting all the nodes at least once, we call it as traversing. It means moving around the data, we call it as traversing. So here we want to set of nodes is there, we want to move to all the nodes and print the values, the display the values. In that case we call it as traversing. Okay, so how it is possible means with the help of the current pointer. So here we are introducing one option called extra option called current pointer. So what is the logic traversing means? Visiting all the nodes once, at least once. Okay, so to move around a linked list structure, we will take this example. Consider this is our linked list structure we have. So this is the head node and these are the links we have. So what is traversing? Visiting all the nodes and displaying the values stored in the nodes, we call it as traversing. So for that to work with, we can take first step is initialize pointer variable as current pointer. So we need to introduce one pointer variable and there we need to store the head value. So whatever value, what value will be in the head? Address of this location, correct? So that value will be stored to a location called current pointer. So whatever value stored in the head ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ value ತಿರ್ಗಾ understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, head ಅಲ್ಲಿ first location value will be there. That value need to be stored inside a name called current pointer. So whatever is value is inside the P start will be stored inside that. So first step. Next, until the current pointer is not equal to null. So until the current pointer, now what is the value would have been there? This head position value would have been stored. Okay, the same thing we will try giving one example and working out. Consider the address of all these nodes. Address of this node is we will take 117. Address of this node is we will take 118. Address of this node is 119. Then no, it will be easy for us to understand the concept. This is 120. This is 121. This is 122. So what would have value would have been in the head node? 117. So initially what I am telling, head equals to current pointer means what is the value stored in the head? 117 will be stored in the current pointer. So it is not null. So next step is telling while current pointer not equal to null. So until null, in case if it's not, until it reaches null, apply the process. Okay, so apply process to info of current pointer. So what it has to do, it has to read the info part of current pointer. Info means data part of current pointer and display it. Okay, until it reaches the value called null. So first time what will happen, it will check whether what is current pointer? 117. So 117 info part of 117 is, you tell me info part of 117 is 10, correct? So it will check whether this position is empty. Whether it is empty, no, 10 is there. So in the system we can make it to print 10 in some place in the thing, and then no, it is not 10. So it will leave. Next it will move to the next position. So if it is not pointer, next we are telling move pointer to the next node. How we are giving? Link of current pointer equals to current pointer. So 117 first ittu, next line alli adu empty nulla ilva check madbeku. It is not null. If it is not null, what we have to do? Link of current pointer. As of now, link of current pointer is link of 117. So 117 al link alli ಏನು address irutte, this 118 would have been there. So link of 117 is 118. So 118 will be stored in current pointer. This is while statement. So once again it will come for 118. Whether info part of 118 is null. Whether info part of 118 is null? No. Since it is not null, it has to move to link of current pointer. Current pointer is 118 now. So link of 118 is 119. What value would have been there? Next address, na 119. Now it will check. Once again, it's a while statement. So since condition was true, once again it will go up. This time current pointer value is 119. With this value, it will check whether 119 of info part is null. Whether it is null? No, it is not null. So 32 will be taken. So it is not null. Next, it will, since it is not null, it will take info part of 119. Info part of 119, what would have been there? 120. So once again, loop will go with the value 120. 120 if it goes, it will check, it has to take the info part of, info is 15. And next line, it need to check whether 120 address, what is the next address of, next address of 120, that it will show 121. So got it? Once again, the loop goes. Now the value we have taken will be 120. So with 120 as the value, now current position value is 120. It will check whether current position is not equal to null. So what we have to do, info of current position. So what is the info of current position 120? 15. So 15 will be considered. Next line is current pointer equal to link of current pointer. So link of current pointer this time is 120. So it will check whether link of 120, any value is there. Yes, link of 120, what value is there? 121 is there. So 121 will be considered. Next, the loop goes up for 121. 121 info part is 17. Link part is 122. Got it? Till here we have done. Now let me erase the other ink mark, and because this would have been our last step. So with 120 as a value, as 122 as 121 as a value, it would have come correct. It would have considered 17 and info part is 122. Now consider it is taking 122. So it will check whether current pointer of 122 is null. Current pointer of 122 is null means yes, current pointer of 122 is null. So what will happen? While statement, when condition fails, it will stop. So there ends. So current position would have been be in 122, and if we could see, we would have visited all the nodes from the beginning till the end, and whenever it sees the null, it will stop the process. Until that, it will take the value and move around to one node by node with the help of current pointer. Okay, so the basic idea behind this algorithm is, first you need to set the head position to head, whatever value stored in the head, to current pointer. That means the first location address will be stored to current pointer. First it will visit and check whether this address is null. It is not null, so it will visit this node and check whether address is null. It is not null, so it will go to here, check whether address is null. No. Come here, check address is null. No. Come here, check address is null. No. Visit to the next node and check address is null. Yes. So it's, if you could see, we would have visited all the nodes. This is called traversing a linked list. Understand, traversing means visiting all the node at least once. We were able to achieve it. So this is about traversing a linked list. Next concept will be, we need to discuss about inserting item in the linked list. We saw creating, we saw traversing, just moving around the thing. Now how we are going to insert a new, already we have just, we saw one big structure. No, along with this, I want to insert a new item. How we are going to do? So insertion can take place in three ways in our single linked list. Inserting the node in the beginning of the linked list. So what one way is to insert the node in the beginning. Beginning means understand Matkoli. First node address will be in the head. So if I want to insert in the beginning, what we have to do? Head node, ಹೊಸ node create ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಸ node address ಅನ್ನು head node ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು then whatever is there in the first node, already existing first node, that address has to be given to the new node. Okay, that is, this problem is solved. Inserting the node in the beginning of the linked list. Same thing, inserting node at the end of the linked list. End is very easy. Move till the end, that null was there. End of the linked list, null will be there. No, in that null, give the new node address. Then it will be there. And inserting the node at a given position. Given position andre second node agirbodu, fifth node agirbodu. So what you have to do, you need to move until you reach that particular position, then shift the nodes little bit. Okay, just like an arrangement. So you want to arrange a set of books. You want to put it in the first means what you will do, you will push all the books, insert the book in the rack. If you want to insert it the last place is the relief. If you want to insert in the middle, what you'll do, you need to give a partition, put that. Same way only insertion can be done in three things: inserting at the beginning, inserting at the end, and the given position. For all the three also we have algorithm. That algorithms we'll discuss in our next class. Try to understand the concept of creating a linked list and traversing a linked list. We will see the remaining algorithm in our next session. Have a nice day. Thank you.